Hi guys, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I would like to take a look at pound yen. Right, I see that there's actually a very nice intraday sort of opportunity on the 4 hour and possibly even the 1 hour chart. Now, with that, let's quickly dive in and get to the meat of today's analysis. Right, so what we have today on the daily is that we see that price has actually made a strong push up and similarly made a strong push down. And price is actually testing the 76.4 uh, Fibonacci retracement level. Right, also, I just want to confirm something. If I were to do an extension from point 1 to point 2, this irregular, right, we see that price is also currently testing, okay, the 127.2 Fibonacci extension level, which is in line with the 76.4, right? So now that we know that the daily support is here, okay, the daily support level is here. Just the daily support, we'll think that actually price would, make a bounce up and go even higher. However, let's just quickly go down to the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours, this is what I see, right? We see that price has made a high here, and it made a low, it made a lower high, it made a lower low, it made a lower high, and it made a lower low. Now if we were to connect the highs, okay, if we were to connect the highs and tap as many candles as possible, we actually see that price is really testing this descending trend line resistance. Further, there's a strong push down, so we can use Fibonacci retracement as well. So let's use Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low. Open all Fibonacci ratios. All right, we see that price is currently resting right below, testing the 38.2 and resting right below the 50. But for now, I prefer to select the 50. Okay, and at the same time, I'll just highlight the next key level, the 61.8. So of course, we have a 50% retracement level here. Okay, I'll call this the 4-hour resistance. All right, and if I were to change the line chart, we see that this 50% retracement falls nicely at the graphical overlap level. Okay, so what I'm expecting price to do, really short term, is for price to make a bearish push down below this 4-hour resistance, at least towards the daily support one more time. And after that, we could possibly see a breakout. Okay, so just let me just tidy this up. Okay, let's go down to the 1 hour and see whether there are any nice things that we could possibly notice that we haven't already noticed on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, we actually see that price has made a strong push and is actually reversing. Now, there doesn't seem to be any other confluences except for this small zigzag. So let's use a Fibonacci extension to see whether the resistance levels line up. Okay, I'm thinking it could be a 127.2. So the 127.2 is right at the 50% of the 4 hour. Okay, so in terms of presentation wise, this definitely looks better. What I really will do is this 4 hour resistance becomes my sell entry. Okay, and of course I will have a stop loss slightly above the 61.8. Okay, that will be my stop loss level, and my daily support will be my take profit. Right? So this gives a very nice risk reward of slightly more than 1:2. Now, should price break above this trend line and go up to the stop loss, it will mean two things. Price has broken above a key Fibonacci level. Price has also broken below above this descending trend line. So this two tells that there's a reversal in place. And by the time price is above stop loss, it will be clear without a doubt that price has reversed. Then I will possibly look to go long and play upwards instead. Right? Further, we can actually put in moving average to confirm. Okay, if let's say I'm using a moving average of 55, okay, 55 moving average seems to hold price very nicely in an uptrend. Price tap, and went higher. Okay, and even in a downtrend, if we were to go further back, in a downtrend, right, we see price testing before going lower. Right, so definitely the 55 moving average works nicely, and we can see here that price is actually holding below the 55 moving average. It could be a false breakout, a push here towards to hit the sell entry and then go down. All right, so technical indicator shows that we are bearish as well. All right, so this is the intraday trade of the day idea that I have for pound yen. Hope you guys managed to catch something today, and I'll be looking forward to giving you guys another sharing tomorrow. Thank you.